Welcome to Dunclair, the home of photo tours of historic buildings in England and France. Today we are visiting Rochester Cathedral in Kent. Rochester is England's second oldest cathedral after Canterbury, which is also in Kent. The current building was designed by Bishop Gundulph, who also designed the nearby castle, which has the highest keep in Europe. Gundulph was the first Norman bishop of Rochester. Today's visit is to admire the art and skill of the tradesmen who designed, made and installed the stained glass windows. Whilst we often see these windows, they are often high up and it isn't easy to see the details of them and really appreciate the skills of their makers. Today's video addresses that problem. In creating these zoom shots, I have made pauses at the beginning and at the end of each scene. This is to help you pause the video should you want to, without a panic of stopping the play at exactly the right place. In this window we see St. Philip with his Gospel, which the early church leaders decided not to include in the Bible. This window shows us another writer, St. Stephen, with his very large plume. A window for those who are terrified by the sea. It has been a fairly steep learning curve to create these zoomed shots. If you like my idea, please leave a comment below. I need all of the feedback I can get. This window is probably not noticed by many people, which is a shame. It was quite dark around the window when I took the shot, so I'm very pleased at the way it's turned out. In the last window we saw the adoration of baby Jesus by the shepherds. In this window we see the adoration of the three kings of the Orient who had travelled so far with their gifts of gold, frankincense and myrrh. The observant amongst you may have noticed the star that also came from the east. This window's subject is St. Mary Magdalene. She has been a somewhat controversial figure through history, with many believing that she was a disciple of Christ, and some even saying that she was his wife. Finally, we come to the great west window of the cathedral. This window could probably take up a whole video on its own, and I'm not really doing it justice here. I hope that you've enjoyed this visit. If so, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It will help a lot. Thank you.